Lesson 13, how to use rectangle command. Note you can draw a rectangle using line command or rectangle command. In this exercise, we shall use rectangle command to draw a rectangle. You can always use line and draw a rectangle, but you can also use this icon here, rectangle icon, and draw a rectangle. Okay, let's try that. I click on this icon here and then I choose a point on the screen. Okay, and I stretch it up a little bit and leave it like that. And when AutoCAD asks me for the other point, I need to type at 70, 50. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to type at 70, 50. Enter, and your rectangle is drawn. Okay, let's try that again using a slightly different method. I'm going back to my rectangle command and I'm going to click one point, and after clicking the other point, after clicking the first point, I right click and get a menu like this, and I'm going to choose dimensions. I click on dimensions. Immediately AutoCAD asks me what is the length of the rectangle. Okay, 70. And what is the width of the rectangle? Okay, 50. Enter. And then I have to click. As you move the cursor, the rectangle can be drawn to the left or to the right, to the top left or to the top right. So I'm dragging it, I'm pulling my cursor to the top right and clicking it. So you get a same rectangle. Okay, so you have an exercise here. Try the following exercise. Draw a rectangle 40 by 200 as shown. Just for your information, all the numbers given here are in millimeters. In fact, throughout my book, everything is given in millimeters. I'm not using inches, neither am I using centimeters, but I'm only using this unit. Go ahead and do the following exercise.